So I just figured out I was going to record this as I was starting. So her cuticles have already been dealt with, and I'm just buffing out her natural nail. This video is sped up, so it might look like it's a little hard, but I was very gentle with buffing out her natural nails. Two of these toes don't have toenails, so only 3 of the toes will be getting an artificial nail. These are just regular tips. And I'm just going to glue those on as best as I can. Later on, I will build a nail on those last 2 toes the best that I can. And I'm just using regular nail glue, nothing special, KDS. I buy this off of Amazon by like the packs or whatever, because I like to have them around. They dry pretty quickly. Now the index toe over here, I'm gonna let you know now. I did kind of mess it up, and I had to go back in like 2 times and then just change the tip altogether. I put the tip on and it wasn't really adhered like it needed to be, so you're gonna see me do that. But I'm just gonna tip them all. They already, I think I primed them, but if I didn't, I'll prime them and then just start the acrylic application after they've been cut down. I'm using Mia Secret White, the 3D white, and just doing it how I would regularly apply acrylic, gentle and smooth. The angle I'm at is kind of like trying because like her toe isn't really pointed down as much as I would like. I think that I did probably need to sit on the floor But next time I will sit on the floor for like better application and less product waste. Okay, now on this foot, the last two toes did not have nails at all. So I tried to get this acrylic to stick as best as I could. Like literally, it was like a pinch of a nail and not even the pinch that you would think. But, you know, I did the best I could and as fast as I could because, you know, this was not supposed to take all day. And from the angle that I was doing it, I realized that I need to sit lower. I did use more product than I wanted to, though, by doing it this way. And I'm just now getting into doing acrylic toes. I do like it, though. I think it's pretty cool. And we just wanted to, you know, just put acrylic on her toenails to give her more strength and to give her a chance of having some toenails. She never had acrylic toes. She never had her toes painted white. So this was a win-win. Only thing I can do is just get better with time. But I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial.